The end of the tax year is nearly here, and you might not even realise that there's all sorts of things you should be doing. But I'm going to try and make your life easier by giving you my top 5 things to focus on before the 5th of April. Now, I've discussed all of these in more detail in other videos, so do check them out if you feel a little overwhelmed by the list I'm about to give you. In reality, these will change depending on if you're a business owner, employed, or retired, but I've tried to keep it to some core things that almost everyone should have a think about before the end of the tax year arrives. Number 1 is to make use of your ISA. You can currently put up to £20,000 a year in an ISA, and once it's in there, it's completely tax-free, which is an amazing thing. Please don't view ISAs as just a cash product. They are superb investment vehicles. Number 2 is to make sure you have made pension contributions. If your contributions are made via salary sacrifice, then your pension contributions will be gross of income tax and national insurance. If you're a high rate taxpayer, the potential tax saving is equivalent to a 72% return just by putting the money into a pension. Yes, you heard that right, 72%. If you want to make additional contributions before the end of the tax year, you can either do this via your employer or simply contact the pension provider directly and make an ad hoc contribution. 3. If you earn over £100,000, you'll be losing your tax-free personal allowance. By making pension contributions, you can reduce your taxable income and potentially get your whole personal allowance back. So get it right, and that's an extra £12,570 out of the taxman's grasp. 4. Make use of an industry secret known as carry forward. You can make up for the last 3 tax years of unused pension contributions. This means you could theoretically put as much as £128,000 into your pension in a single tax year. You'll then receive a further 20% in relief from your pension provider, turning this immediately into £160,000. Now, there's lots of nuances to this, so do check out my more detailed video for an explanation if you think it might be relevant to you, and of course speak to an advisor if you are looking to make use of carry forward. 5. If you have any unrealised capital gains, make disposals up to your annual allowance of £12,300. Do this properly and you should be able to reduce your tax exposure every single year. It's even more important this tax year as the Chancellor announced that the annual allowance is being reduced to £6,000 in April. So if you're not sure what you should do before the end of the tax year, hopefully my 5 top things will make your life a little bit easier. Don't wait. Get planning because time's ticking. And remember, your money really does matter.